People create ebooks for many reasons. Some want to make money, some want to make more email subscribers, some want a product to sell. Others want to give away some free bonus that later on they can just sell something. And all of these are valid reasons, right? What matters is that ebooks still work. They work in 2026 and they will continue to work. But the problem is not demand. The problem is effort. Writing an ebook from scratch takes time. Structuring an ebook takes time. Designing, well, takes time. And for most people, this is where things stop. Now, luckily, this is where AI changes everything. Today, you can create full ebooks much faster than before. And it's not like half-finished drafts. It's real ebooks with chapters, with structure, design, and content. And no, you don't need to be a writer. You don't need to be a designer. You only need a tool that does most of the work for you. And one such tool is called Designrr. It is Designrr. It is over at designrr.io. And first of all, this is not some get-rich-quick trick. And no, I'm not affiliating with Designrr here. I'm just using it. And yeah, this is not going to be a video where at the end of it, I'm going to sell you a course or something. And yeah, as I've told you, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If anyone else tells you otherwise, he or she is lying. Making money online still takes effort. It takes patience. It takes dedication. But the important thing is that now we've got tools. Right tools remove friction. They remove the parts that stop beginners from even starting. And Designrr does exactly that. Now, Designrr is an AI-powered ebook creation tool. You can find it by simply searching for it online. No complicated setup. You just work through your browser. You just create an account, you choose a plan, and you start building. There is a free trial, of course, which is enough to understand how it works and whether it fits what you want to do. So when you land on the page, just click on the login here, or you can just click here on Get Started, and then you go to choose some of these plans here. Once again, there is a free trial. You can use it like this. Once you head over to the monthly plans, for example, you choose the standard one, click on Start Now, and then there's this special offer for a lifetime deal. Just click on this, no thanks, I'll stick with this standard plan, and then just scroll a bit, click on this, click here to get started. It's gonna lead you to here, just go to Get Offer Now. Also, there's this here, it's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so this is what you should know. You can get your money back if you don't like it, right? Now, before we move inside, let me just share my today's sponsor with you. First of all, I gotta tell you this. If by any chance you want to collect leads from Google Maps, I have a perfect tool for you. It's called Lead Sniper. The link for it you can find down there. Few clicks and you scrape all the leads you need. They have free trial, which you can just use right now to see whether this is for you or not. And from there, it's a one-time payment. It is basically an extension, which works like this on Google Chrome. You find your area and then you just type in the keyword. Let's just go with barber or maybe barbershop. Click on the Start button, and then it's just going to list out all the barbershops in your location. You can see the number of leads here, and of course you can export all of it into CSV file. On Lead Sniper, they've got a few other products, such as Google Search Scraper and a few other ones, but Google Maps is the one I use the most. There's an installation guide for you as well, and if you ever feel stuck, there's 24/7 live chat support for solving all your problems. And as I've told you, pay once and export leads forever. Alright, once inside, the first thing you notice is simplicity. The interface is clean, the layout is clear, nothing feels overwhelming, and if you ever used a tool like Canva, for example, it'll feel familiar. Everything is visual, everything is clickable, and you're not thrown into complex settings or technical options. That alone makes a big difference for beginners, at least it did for me. And Designrr gives you multiple ways to start an ebook. You can import a text from a Google Doc if you already have content, or you can start from scratch using some of their templates, or you can use the AI feature that generates the ebook for you. This is Word Genie. This is where most of the power is. Inside Designrr, this is like a built-in assistant. You give it a topic, you choose a language, and then you select a tone. Also, you describe your audience, and then the AI creates an outline for your ebook. And it's not a vague outline, it's a real one. You get chapters, you get sections, you get logical flow of it. And if you like the outline, you proceed with it. If you don't like it, you regenerate it. The important thing here is that you're not stuck. You're not forced to accept the first result. You keep refining until it matches what you want. And once you approve the outline, the AI generates the full ebook for you, chapter by chapter, paragraph by paragraph. And this part surprises most people, not because AI can write text. That is normal now. Look at ChatGPT or something. But because of how fast it happens. What would normally take days or weeks is done in minutes. The ebook appears in front of you, fully written. Now, is it perfect? Well, no. Is it usable? Yes. Is it a massive head start? Absolutely. And this is important to understand. AI does not replace your thinking. It replaces the blank page. It gives you something to work with instead of nothing. And then you can edit, rewrite, remove, you can expand anything, or you can just choose a template. There's a lot of these templates. And, there is something that needs to be told about making money with this. It needs to be said clearly. This is not magic. This is not guaranteed income. This is not some passive riches. And ebooks can make money, but only if you use them correctly. Some people use them as paid products, some use them as free lead magnets, some use them to build authority. And you can see on the screen right now how this looks. You can edit whatever you want. As I've told you, it looks like and feels like Canva. And there's a lot of reasons with which you can proceed with these ebooks. And if you just take a look at Fiverr, for example, there's a lot of people that are already doing it, and there is a demand for it. And as you can see, these range from $15 for one simple document to $300 for a full ebook. Now it's just you finding your space here. And believe me, there is a lot of demand for it, and there are a lot of customers that are in need of something like this. One common use case is lead generation. Content creators, coaches, and marketers, they often give away ebooks for free in exchange for an email address, and the ebook solves a small problem or gives useful information. Later, those emails are used to sell something else, and this is probably what your customer or your client is going to tell you what they want to accomplish with an ebook. Another use case is direct selling. You write an ebook for a specific niche and then sell it as a digital product. And the price doesn't need to be high. Many ebooks sell for few dollars. What matters is volume and relevance. There is one website that does this very well, and it's called Gumroad. Now, Gumroad is a large marketplace for digital products. People sell ebooks, guides, templates, and even services here. It gets millions of visitors every month. You can check it, and that means you don't need your own audience to start. The platform already has traffic, and beginners often overlook this. They think that they need a website, they need branding and social media first. In reality, marketplaces remove that obstacle. You just upload your ebook, you write a description, you set a price, and you're live. And there are people selling ebooks in bulk on Gumroad. Some sell simple guides, some sell niche-specific content, some bundle multiple ebooks together. The quality varies, but the opportunity is, of course, real. Gumroad is really, really good, and Designrr fits perfectly into this workflow. You generate the ebook, you customize it, you export it as a PDF, you upload it to Gumroad, and that's it. But of course, my favorite option is freelancing, especially for beginners. Some people don't want to sell their own ebooks. They want to create ebooks for others. Small businesses, coaches, creators, they often need lead magnets, but they don't want to make these themselves. They don't have the time. And what's important here is that you don't need to advertise yourself as a writer. You advertise yourself as someone who creates ebooks quickly. The client gives you the topic, you use Designrr, you customize the output, and you deliver the final ebook. And this is not unethical or something. It's a service. It's just like drop servicing the platform. The value is in speed, structure, and delivery. And yeah, once the AI finishes generating the ebook, you move to the design stage. This is where the content turns into a real product. Designrr offers many templates. You choose one, you preview it, you apply it, and instantly the ebook looks polished. It has cover page, it has table of contents, it has chapters formatted properly, and you can scroll through it like a real book. There's like clickable sections, there's clean layout, nothing feels broken or unfinished. And from here, you can customize everything. Text, fonts, colors, images, layout elements. You can delete sections that you don't like or your client doesn't like. You can add visuals. You can upload your own graphics. Everything works visually without technical knowledge. This step matters more than people think because content alone is not enough. Presentation affects perceived value. A simple, clean design makes the ebook feel more professional, even if the content is basic. Designrr makes this easy because you're not designing from scratch. You're editing an existing structure. Once you're satisfied, well, you publish. One click. You can export the ebook as a PDF or web version. It's ready to be shared, sold, or given away. And this entire process can take a few hours instead of weeks. That's the real advantage. But of course, speed doesn't mean low quality. Speed means iteration. You can create one book, learn from it, then create another one, and you're not stuck perfecting one idea for months. You're testing, improving, and adapting. This is why ebooks are still relevant. They're flexible, they're cheap to produce, and they can be reused and repurposed. One ebook can be sold. The same ebook can be a lead magnet. Parts of it can be turned into blog posts or emails or social media posts, whatever. But of course, Designrr doesn't make you successful on its own. It just removes the obstacle. It's a tool for you. You no longer have to say, I don't know how to write. I don't know how to design. If you like this thing, well, this is the tool for you. And yeah, some ebooks will fail. Some will do okay. Some might surprise you. That's normal. What matters is that you can start now, not someday. Tools like Designrr do not replace thinking. They replace friction. And for many people, friction is the only thing standing between them and actually doing something. That's why ebook creation with AI is not just a trend. It's a practical entry point for beginners who want to create something real. No hype. No promises, just the tool that works. And what you do with it is up to you, of course. So yeah, wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.